found was I wasn't used to the backbiting. I wasn't used to the stirring. I wasn't used to people lying, people making up stories, and you constantly trying to defend yourself and say, I'm not being fake. I'm not playing up to the cameras. What are you on about?
Yeah.
I don't even care about the camera. Do you know what I mean? But
Yeah.
they'd made this story up just to keep them safe out of nominations. That was the hardest bit, but it served my purpose where I set out to do. So
Yeah.
as long as I met my targets,
Yeah. Was you okay being voted out first?
100%. Oh my God, I was so exhausted. Kerry actually made my experience a nightmare. A nightmare. When you're constantly, she'll run off. I mean, at one point, Trish told me off. What Kerry failed to tell her was she'd made up some of the story, and Trish told me off. When you watch the actual episode, you'll see where she's lied, and I can't be dealing with people that lie, twist stories, people that speak behind your back. I'm a very open, honest, true person. You know what I mean? That's what's got me further in life, because I've always been authentic, real, and trustworthy. Whereas being in the Big Brother house, they just
Fake.
backchat. They just backbite about each other. That's what it's about. And I can't be dealing with that. It's not good for my energy, you know.
Sad to hear that.
Yeah.
So who had the most alliances, or, you know, how did you manage like your relationships with people in there and aligned with certain people?
Yeah, I aligned with Chanel, who was a dentist.
Yeah.
And she, you know, unfortunately, once me and Zach left, she ended up in a circle that didn't do her many favours. But she was lovely. She's a dentist. I mean, a nurse. Yeah, dentist. And then dentist nurse. And then we've got Matty, who's the junior doctor, who's lovely. And then we've got Zach, who's from the model from Thailand. And there was myself. So the four of us, that was my real circle and then I loved sort of teasing Jordan and telling him, I love you, Jordan. And he would be like, you know, so I would be like, can we have a love you back? He would be, I'll think about it. I'll give you an answer tomorrow. I just adored him. It was just absolutely, honestly, he's actually mixed. Half Asian.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
he told me, yeah. So but other than that, and then Yinren was lovely. She's from the Chinese background.
She had a big personality.
Noki was lovely. I didn't really see eye to eye with Trish, but we won't go there because I understand now. The tweets have explained everything to me.
Okay.
Everything. This might be the reason, but yeah. Other than that, yeah.
Can we speak about is it Yuran?
Yeah.
She's like somebody who is a total opposite from somebody like myself, maybe even yourself, because she doesn't take life seriously at all. I think she even said, what did the cheese say to the mirror? Yeah, what was it? Hello me. Hello me. Like it actually, her dry sense of humor really cracked me up, and I was like,
yeah,
do you know what? She's such a carefree person.
Yeah,
it was
she's
actually
so
good
beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But she said to me, you know, when I got nominated, she was like, Farida, how are you feeling? I was like, I'm absolutely fine. Oh, genuinely.
See you later.
Yeah, literally, run, get out that door. I was like that. I was like, didn't even have time to say, give my boys. I just wanted to run.
Did you say bye to Kerry?
Right, no. Stop it. So anyway, I couldn't wait to get out of there, honestly. What was I saying? Yimran.
Yes.
And she said to me, she went, Farida, I'm not emotionally, I can't handle that, I would collapse. I was like, Yimran, don't be silly. She was, you don't understand, I would collapse. I'm not strong like this. I was like, oh my gosh. No, you do have to be mentally strong. I think, like she said, she's discovered a lot about herself during the process.
That's what it is about. These experiences are to discover more, no?
Well, I'll be honest. Prior to me going in there, I was worried, you know, in how I showed up.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I don't...